Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, man.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? My goodness, Lambs, are you with me? Are you with me? Or are you against me? Hey! If only they knew. If only they knew. Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I go around asking couples questions.
Yeah.
Would you guys be okay with that?
No, I'm upset.
No, not an issue. Can you come this way, please? Just 5 minutes of your time and you guys can go. Okay, can you go on my left, sir? Name?
Kina Portia.
Portia and?
Nkululeko.
Gulego. Portia, you've got beautiful skin, girl. You've got beautiful skin. Portia, right?
Yeah.
And Gulego.
Nkululeko.
Gulego, how long have you been with Portia?
Since not 10 months, man just push.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, where did they meet you, Portia?
Re la kopana ko molong. Yeah, then kanke ya le nna ka yena.
Okay. All right. What is it that you like about him?
Oh, ke motho mo yo fatshe man, o sharp, o understand. Like ra tshwelelana nje ka ntho tse ngata nje ra dumelana na le yena.
Yeah. Okay. Gulego, what is it that you like about Portia?
Oh, ngomama nje ngithanda nje impatho yakhe nje ungiphethe kahle. Yeah, ngina complain nje amaningi.
And now, so far in the 10 months.
So far nje yonke into right. Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, I want to get straight to the point, ne? What we do on this show is a loyalty test. We basically make couples switch phones. Would you guys be okay with that?
I go to switch the phone like re chinchana the phone.
And then he checks your phone and you check his.
Wow. Yo, go senyetsa nako so rona re tatile ona le mo kanteng. Yeah.
Goals, how do you feel about it?
Eish, angibo mama shide ukuthi khona la sijahele khona man best.
So you guys don't want to switch at all? What if you've wasted your time for 10 months and he's cheating on you?
Ke nna motho ka mtshepa. Ha se motho a so mpontshe di sign tsa cheating or eng ke motho sharp.
Goals, what do you have to say?
Akukho ngakusho na njengoba ngithi ngithembekile kumama njengoba ngithi kule 10 months esiphushile akukho nje kwasiphazamisa.
And no signs of cheating from Portia?
Lutho mama.
Are you sure?
I'm sure mama.
So when she's away from you, what is she doing? She's with friends?
Yeah, ngesikhathi nokuthi mangimfonela ngimuzwa ngesikhathi uhlele kana umama wakho umzalayo yabo akusumuntu wabangani.
But how do you know she's really with her mother? I can always say I'm with my mom.
Ngesikhathi nginokukhuluma naye phela umama ezala kube uyofuna ukuthi ngibe nesiqiniseko ukuthi uhleli nomama ezala na.
Okay.
Yebo.
Portia. Itindog. You're not cheating on your man.
Na motho ka I'm right there. Ke nana ka cheating, yeah.
But when a woman cheats, it's usually because there's something missing.
Na motho ka felletse.
Whether it be the sex or finances.
Ke re ka fela nje. O sharp na motho ka. So go dise ka next.
Well, sitting go yeah, understand. What do you mean? Can you understand? What does he understand?
Like go se kula bona dintho tse ngata tsa di couple ne ha ba dumelane man. So nna le motho ka dintho tse ngata ra dumelana wa nkutlusisa ke mjetsa ra baby ntwe so like wa nkarabelo wa dumela nje ya e sharp.
Okay, so you get along.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you were to search each other's phones, you guys would get along.
Wait again, was
because you'll be reassured. I need to see that. Oh, okay. I'm with my person, you know, my person is with me. We're not doing anything weird. Don't you want that reassurance?
Mara no itswang ka 5 minutes fele se fitile 5 minutes.
No, there's 1 minute left, Portia.
Okay.
And the phones will only check for 60 seconds.
Re mo tshintshetse the phone then re kgone etsa faster re tsamaye wa ba se ka ba late.
Isikhathi sasishaya. I mean, it's
So, Uncles, you don't want to switch?
no.
60 seconds.
Yeah, re kena ka re etsa tsamaye.
Eish.
Thank you. You can count down. Count me down. Uncles, this is your phone. Oh, you're scared? Come closer. I don't bite. Are you scared?
Eshayalutho angijuwanga.
If you say so. Uncles, we'll start with your phone. Ne?
Okay.
Do you have a passcode, password pattern? Thank you. Portia, go to his WhatsApp now.
Okay.
Okay. Type I love you.
Ha, ke nna. Yeah.
Okay. Delete, type miss you.
Ah, ke nna.
Yeah, it's an uncles. Okay. Delete, type babe.
Lerato.
Uncles, Tinder yakho. Go into the chat.
Hayibo, ba senda le dinots. Lerato ke manje.
Uncles. Yeah, you Rosa. Wenza ntoni? Sibona izinto up.
Yini nibonayo mama?
Nudes.
Lerato ke mang? Senda le dinepe le sa apara ho etsahala eng?
No, kunolato ntombazana nje engahlangana nayo mama.
Ene tshetse ke tsamao banyana, masetsa gale. E le go ho etsahala eng?
Hayi ke into eyenzakalayo mama.
We see porn here. Sibona izinto up.
No, hayi nginaphazama mama.
Emapile so style ke nna. Style ke nna.
Angisho kanjalo mama.
Lerato ke mang?
Angimazi yoba ngichazile mama ukuthi
Ha mo tsebe jwa le
she's
phone
sending
ya
you
hao.
She's sending you nudes, mas.
Ha mo tsebe jwa le phone ya hao.
Eish.
Let's call her. Do you want to call her?
Please.
Thank you. If you don't answer us, Lerato's going to answer us. Uncles,
Wena ha mo tsebe Lerato ke re.
Okay.
So style ke nna.
Ah lutho.
Yeah,
Twa
did you
kwa mo
know?
ke tlang ke tla ho wena. O busy le Lerato wena.
Uncles, Tinder yakho.
Eish.
Make sure it doesn't lock, please, Lamini. Hi, am I speaking to Lerato?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Lerato?
Yes, Miana.
Do you know Unkululeko?
Hello.
Do you know Unkululeko?
Yeah, ke mo tseba.
What is he to you?
Ke motho wa ka.
For how long?
For 6 months.
And you said you've been together for how long?
10 years.
10 months.
10 months.
Girls,
Yo mama.
I'm with his girlfriend here of 10 months. So you've been with him for 8 months?
No, for 6 months.
6 months.
Oh, sorry ke ntho
Yeah.
Eshiyasikhisi mama like bengifuna ukuxolisa nje ngengenza inkinga.
Uqolise nje if ngisayithola. If ngisayithola
Exactly.
khethala eng.
No, vele benga.
Ah man wena ungekho isihlatha wena.
Please
Wena
calm
ungekho
down.
isihlatha wena.
Please
If
calm-
ngisayithola nto.
What was going to happen
If
exactly?
ngisayithola nto ethala eng.
You were going to carry on with her to a year.
For wena, eh?
You tongue
Ngixolisa
tied.
mama.
Oh, you sorry.
If ngisayithola una tla ntsetsa eng. Go tshwara nna ke style ntse ke tsamaya le wena batho mo strateng ba ntsheya nna. Ke joke nna ke re. Ke joke. Ke joke nna ne. Ke joke nna ke re.
Please calm down, Lovey.
No man wa nkwatisa motho o.
You tongue tied, Lovey. You don't have anything to say.
Yo like bengifuna ukuxolisa mama nje angeke phinde kwenzeka mama.
Why did you do it? Why did you do it?
Umama uhlala ngekho ngaso sonke isikhathi
Uthi
yikho.
wena.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
So she's busy.
Na phela sometimes unokuhlala ngekho angazi ukuthi naye la khona usuka yenzani.
You just said she's always with her mother and she's always with her friends and she doesn't have friends.
Yeah,
Sorry.
sometimes angithi nokuthi mangifona ifoni nayo angayibambi. Yeah.
So 6 months.
So you cheated because you thought she was cheating?
I didn't say that ukuthi nje isikhathi akanginiki sona is enough.
Okay.
Ngasho lokho.
Yeah, you can have your phone.
So akone nako now that's why unchitela. Ke eng ntho sa ithola ngonna?
Phinde ngiyekwenza.
If you lost, if she forgives you. If she forgives you. If you have a relationship after this. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
All right. Okay, type I love you. Goals, the cheetah.
Yeah, mom.
Yeah. That's you, Mus.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, delete. Okay, type miss you. That's you
Yeah,
again.
that's me, yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. That's you, Mus.
Yeah, that's
And
me.
mom,
So what's in the phone?
delete. Nothing.
Yeah, that's
Type
me.
babe.
Tape.
Hey, I equals you again. Delete. Type pregnant. There's nothing.
There's nothing.
The woman is loyal.
Yeah, she's loyal.
She's loyal. Portia, how do you feel?
Ngiyaxolisa man, like angiphinde kwenzakala.
You are gonna carry on cheating with Lendulerato.
No, I'll stop it.
If she didn't catch you today, you were gonna carry on with Lerato. Am I lying?
No, bengizoyiqeda because bengazi ukuthi like uPusha she's loyal kimi yabo. Isikhathi babe wanginiki sona all the time. Mhlawumbe ungeke.
Isikhathi sayini because mangidinga uyangithola. Wetsala kanti ka wena mara. Wetsala ing?
Ngiyaxolisa babe ngeke ngiphinde kwenzakala.
Hayi wakhona wesinyana kwamuntu shem.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Yo.
Are you sorry for cheating?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It won't happen.
It won't happen again. You say.
Yo.
Portia, are you gonna stay with him?
I never. Yo, ngisingelise
done.
nako. No, kishap
Ne?
ka wena bona. Kisho, sharp.
10 months of your life. Imagine.
Ngiyacela mama Chris ngenza no.
Bona, ungasondeli.
Ne?
Come here, please. Ngisingelise nako.
Goals, it's over.
Okay, hayi makasho kanjalo angeke ngimforce mama.
Okay. Okay. Portia, how do you feel?
Mana ngithi ngiyancenga mama ukuthi
Hayi
like
uthole
ngiyaxolisa.
ngatowa hayi uthama yaphi.
Ne?
No.
Ungasondeli, khuluma lapho ungasondeli.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lerato sana bethe ngepaint. Bethe ngepaint Lerato wena.
Ayikho babe manje ngangipha yonke.
Rato wetsala ing? Hawumpatha untholi na?
Ngiyaqolisa.
Ungasondeli. Emahona mo.
You're not answering the question. If when you want her, you don't find her.
Yeah.
And you're complaining about time. But when you need her, she's there for you, Mus.
Yeah,
Ngike
nami.
samuthalukile nganti wathi wena uzwaka.
Nje bengishithi babe ngiyaxolisa ngicela nje ungixolele.
Ifini sadlala tabeni ngicethe bani?
Belizwa ngithi phela bengizoyistopa yonke.
Nini hawetsalanga?
Eish.
You know what? It's fine. Portia, do you need transport home?
Yeah.
We'll take you home. Goals, you can leave. You can go. You don't need transport, do you?
I don't need transport.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, man, vele I'll
Ufonele kopha sikamfonela. Udilisile
Where's does she have a phone, Clams?
serious mama ngiyakuncenga.
Goals, please go away. Thank you.
Tsamaya le rato hao. Tsamaya. Hayi.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You see, you're gonna waste the 10 months.
Yo.
Papa, you've wasted
Yo,
10 months.
Mara.
Listen.
Mjolo mara.
Yeah, no, ne?
Yo.
Damn it. All right, guys. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. It's absolutely gone bananas. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame_. See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzosho ukuthi akwazi
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?